I go shopping almost every week, and I still love it every time. For me, shopping is not just about buying things. It is a small, happy part of my week. So let me tell you how I do it. Most weeks, I go shopping on Saturday morning. The shops are quiet, and the streets are calm. I like this time the best. Before I leave home, I always make a list. I write down the things I need. Some milk, some bread, some fruit. A list is a simple thing, but it helps me a lot. With a list, I don't forget things, and I don't buy too much. First, I go to the supermarket. I walk slowly through the aisles. I pick up fresh fruit and vegetables. I choose them with care. I like to find the best ones. Then I get the other things on my list. At the end, I pay for everything at the counter. The person there is always kind. We say a few friendly words. And then I go home with my bags. It is a small routine, but it makes me feel calm and ready. Now, I don't only buy food. Sometimes, I go shopping for clothes. This is a different kind of fun. I walk into a shop and look around. I touch the soft shirts and warm coats. When I find something nice, I try it on. I stand in front of the mirror. Sometimes it looks good, and I smile. Sometimes it looks funny, and I laugh. I don't always buy something. Often, I just look and enjoy my time. And I love one thing the most. I love finding a good deal. When something nice is on sale, I feel happy. It feels like a small win. Last month, something nice happened. I was looking for a warm jacket. I looked in many shops, but they were too expensive. I almost gave up. Then I walked into one last shop. And there it was. A beautiful blue jacket. And it was on sale. It was half the normal price. I tried it on, and it fit perfectly. I was so happy. I still wear that jacket today. And every time, it makes me smile. So here is a small tip from me. When you go shopping, don't rush. Take your time, and enjoy it. Make a simple list before you go. Look around, and try things on. And always look for a good deal. Shopping can be more than a chore. It can be a calm and happy time. A small treat, just for you. That is how I like to shop. Slowly, simply, and with a smile. Thank you for spending this time with me today. It honestly means a lot. If you want to learn English with me every day, please subscribe to Slow English Listening. It's free, and it really helps me keep going. And if you enjoyed this, watch my daily routine next. We'll talk again soon, in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.